Hi people, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a bubu dress with just 2 yards of pattern crepe. 2 yards. Okay, so first thing, I'm finding the midpoint of this. So I folded the fabric into two and notched the middle. So this will guide me in folding properly. So I've notched the middle at the up and the down part. So now I'm folding it. So I'll take one side and fold it and make sure it stop at the part where I just notched. You can see. So I fold it and it stop and at the midpoint. So that was why I notch it first to be sure. So that means I'm cutting it one yard. I will use 1 yard to cut the front, 1 yard to cut the back. So now I'm measuring the neck width. I mark 3 inches. Then I'll measure my supposed shoulder measurement divided by 2. So but then let's go and measure the bust point. So I mark where my bust point is, whatever your bust point, maybe 10.5, 10 or 11. So I mark the bust point. Okay, so now on the bust point, we are going to use the body measurement, whether the bust round or the hip round divided by 4. So you just use the widest part, which is, I'll be using the hip, which is 36, divided by 4 is 9. So I measured the 9 inches. Then you're going to add extra inches for the bubu effect. So I added 4 or 5. I think I added 5 extra inches. So it depends on how wide. Then I measure the neckline again. Then the shoulder measurement. I mark the shoulder. Then from the shoulder now, I now added the desired inches for the sleeve. Okay, so now from the bust point, I went up by 1 inch. Okay, so that means my sleeve is going to stop just some inches before my bust point. Then you cuff it this way. Just watch it carefully, okay? So now you can now go ahead, either you cut it down straight, the same measurement I have, 14, you can take it down straight, okay? 14 inches all through to the hem line. But I decided to add a little cuff to give it some cowl effect. I know the material is not enough. If you really want enough cowl effect, you're going to do the cuff properly. Okay, so I just try to make the better use of the little fabric I have. Okay, so I cuff it a bit, then towards the end I now taper it down back to the about 14 inches that we earlier used. When I cut it out, you see properly. So now I'm creasing the neck depth. Okay, and I added some inches to the neck width. Also, I think I made the neck width 3.5 inches to 5 inches, by 5 inches for the neck depth. So it's a round neckline, so I curve it out this way. Okay, so I'm just arranging it properly. So if you like, you can create a little slope at the shoulder, but since it's crepe, it will naturally fall on your body. It won't stand like maybe Ankara or some other art fabric. So I'm cutting it out. Okay, you can see the effect I created below the sleeve. Just look at it. Okay, and toward the end, I taper it a little bit. Okay, then we'll cut out the neckline, but let's cut the back first. So now I have another 1 yard left. So I'm going to fold it also. Let's fold it. Then you place this on top. I'm going to place the front on it in order to cut out the back. Note there's no zipper allowance. It's just the same thing. You can see I'm just following it accordingly to cut it out. Okay, then for the neck width, it's going to be the same thing, but the neck depth you can be different. So for the back neck depth, I think I make it 3 inches. Okay, and the neck width is the same thing with the front. Okay, so I later adjusted it to 2 inches again. So the neck depth for the back, I use 2 inches. So I'm going to cut out the back first. The neck width, I think I use 3.5 inches or 4 inches. Okay, so we'll cut it out. After cutting out the back, you're now going to pick the front alone and cut out the front. Please don't mistakenly cut the back and the front together when you are cutting the front neckline. So this is what we have. Then the back, I measure some inches down, about 5 inches or 4 inches. I measure 4 inches, but 5 is not bad. So I slash it open. That's at the center back. I open it up. So I'm going to top stitch it with bias or something in order to fix button at the back. Since there's no zip allowance, I'll be using button. So this is what I have. So I'll go ahead and tape. I'll tape so I'm cross-checking the length. Okay, then I'll use bias tape to cover the neckline and join the shoulder to shoulder, then the side. So it's just as simple as that, guys. Okay, so please, if you enjoyed this video to this point, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. Okay, so this is what the bobo dress looks like. A bobo dress made with 2 yards of pattern crepe. Okay, this is it on our AI model. So I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like the video. Thank you. Bye.